Back in the 90s, before smartphones took over, pagers were the ultimate status symbol for so many. Since you couldn't send text messages, people invented a secret numeric language to communicate through the tiny screens. Beeping someone meant they had to find a payphone to call you back, but adding codes let you drop quick notes. For example, typing 911 meant an emergency. 411 asked what's going on, and 07734 spelled hello when turned upside down. It was a massive part of pop culture, making everyone feel as though they were secret agents just trying to coordinate weekend plans with friends.